एंड वेलकम टू अ बेटर लाइफ। तो आज की वीडियो होने वाली है थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट, बिकॉज आज की वीडियो के अंदर है एक रूम टूर। क्योंकि आज की वीडियो के अंदर मैं बताने वाली हूँ कुछ ऐसी असेंशियल चीजें जो एक स्टूडेंट के रूम में होनी ही चाहिए। यू नो व्हाई? अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके बच्चे बने इंक्विजिटिव, क्रिटिकल एंड लॉजिकल थिंकर्स एंड एक्सप्लोर करें चीजों को, तो ये छोटी छोटे चेंजेस आप करिए अपने रूम में एंड देन यू सी द रिजल्ट्स। सो व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर? लेट्स बिगिन विद द रूम टूर। First important thing for kids room is reading corner. अगर बच्चों के रूम में रीडिंग कॉर्नर नहीं है तो वो बच्चों का रूम ही नहीं है। सो अगर आप अपने बच्चों को रीडर्स बनाना चाहते हैं, सो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव a reading corner in place for them. Here I have arranged some books for Krishna. इनको I have divided into mythological, Hindi, foreign writers, easy to read, level 1, level 2, like this, and some school stuff. ऐसे आप भी इसको segregate कर सकते हैं. Now the next thing is this. I think this is really interesting if you want to raise an inquisitive child. Now what is this? So basically this has a lot of questions. Where does the water come from? How does it rain? And बहुत सारे ऐसे छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस इसमें डले हुए हैं which generally he asks me and I just make chit of it and I put it here. And every day इसमें से he picks up one question and उसको हम डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं.
Mama, how does it rain?
You want to know?
Yes.
चलो, let's do an experiment for that. Now let's move to the third important thing, and that is these boards. You can have a normal blackboard sticker also, a whiteboard also, or I have this on his cupboard. Now ये क्यों important है? ये इसलिए important होते हैं because यहाँ पर आप बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर करके देख सकते हैं. मतलब you can write your schedule, you can put in a lot of things. Basically if you have a corner like this, kids love to enjoy by writing on it. Now let's go to the fourth point, and that is this gratitude jar. Now what is this gratitude jar? इस gratitude jar के अंदर हैं बहुत सारी slips. So every day before sleeping, I tell my son to go and draw something जिसके लिए he is grateful today or he is thankful today. So the point is I want to put a habit of being thankful about things in life. So he doesn't know to write a full sentence by now, but he can draw. So you will be surprised what all he drew in this. One day he drew that it rained today, so he was thankful about that. He was thankful about a toy that he got. The point is to develop the feeling of gratitude. आप ये अपने बच्चों के रूप में ज़रूर try करिए and you will see change in their behavior. Now, next is this. Whatever kids make, okay, try and use that as display rather than putting anything else. Because that will increase their confidence that whatever they made has been put up on the display. So my kid really loves it. So this is his depiction of a crocodile using Lego. And these are some stationery items whenever he wants to draw or write something. So they are very handy. He can pick it up and use them. Now we come to another very important point, and that is timetable. Because he is only 5 years old, तो अगर मैं timetable बनाकर लिख कर रखूँगी तो it won't serve a lot of purpose. So for that I have done the timetable in a different way. So what do we do is मैंने इसके अंदर कुछ डिफरेंट चीज़ें करी हुई हैं, जैसे रीडिंग है, देर इज़ लेगो, देन यू हैव होमवर्क, देन यू हैव choice time, then you have cycling, and then there is dancing. So every morning, whenever we start with the morning, so if I tell him to pick one thing that he wants to do, so maybe if he wants to play with Lego, he picks up this and then he starts with it. So he gets an idea that he has all these things in the bucket list जो उसको पूरे दिन में complete करनी है. Choice time is basically free play, जिसके अंदर he can do anything whatever he wants to do. So इसका purpose क्या है? इसका purpose है to get them into a habit of following a timetable. And इसके अंदर every month I try कि मैं इसके अंदर कोई एक new activity join कर दूँ which he enjoys. जैसे now I'm planning to put drawing and painting into it also. And this is the chest of drawers where he has his stationery and everything in place. Make sure कि आप stationery के लिए properly space allocate करें. एक kids room के अंदर ये सब होना बहुत important है. तो ये छोटे changes हैं, तो इनको अगर आप भी अपने kids room के अंदर करेंगे, so you will see they will become really productive.
पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे द स्क्रीन टाइम हैज डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज्ड बिकॉज दिस इज हाउ द किड्स लर्न, एक्सप्लोर, इंटरैक्ट एंड एंटरटेन देमसेल्व्स. Having said that, it is very important that the screen time should be more meaningful and involves learning. So, for my 5-year-old son, I was looking for a platform where he could learn and explore the vocabulary, grammar, and could frame grammatically correct English sentences and develop a strong command over the language. और जब मैं एक ऐप ढूंढ रही थी for the same purpose, I came across this app called Cambly Kids. Cambly Kids एक ऐसी English speaking app है for the kids between the age group of 4 to 15, जहाँ पर tutors are native English speakers from UK, USA, Canada, etc. And classes happens one-on-one over the video chat. And you can attend these classes 24/7. So it is ideal for the parents who want their children to overcome their shyness and become smart and confident speakers.
Slow is better?
Yes.
Okay, so let's try it.
I can see my friend's favorite is Cinderella.
You don't like?
My friend's favorite is Cinderella.
Cambly Kids is certified by the Kids Safe Seal program and is marked as a child-friendly website. And not only this, you can get a 30-minute trial worth rupees 739 for rupees 199 only. I'll mention the code in the description box below. Do check it out.
So, कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो? Do mention that in the comment section below. And also, आप इस वीडियो के अंदर से क्या-क्या चीजें अपने रूम के अंदर इंक्लूड करने वाले हैं? Also mention that in the comment section below and also DM me pictures of the things जो आपने अपने रूम के अंदर incorporate की है. और अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आप भी इंग्लिश के अंदर fluent speaker बने और आपकी social skills better हो and also आपका stage fear खत्म हो जाए, so do try out this app called Cambly Kids and I'll leave the link in the description box below. With this, I come to an end of this video. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay productive. Bye bye.